Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a single stage correction and 2-year ceramic coating on a Range Rover Evoque. So I'll show you guys the car now. Hope you guys enjoy this one. Remember to like and subscribe. Cheers. Okay, so here is the car. Obviously needs cleaning, so we'll crack straight on with that. It's going to be full exterior wash, decontaminate, clay bar, and deep clean the wheels, arches, pull it inside, single stage, 2-year ceramic coating. So let's crack on. Right, okay, so the car is now inside. Just going to show you guys what we're dealing with. I mean, don't look too bad like that, but there you go. It's been resprayed. Swirls are quite bad, to be fair. This is going to be a long old day on this one, but it'll be worth it. Scratch there or something, and here. And then come around here, just the usual swirls, some scratching, light scratches. I think the car's a 2020 model as well, but yeah. So I'm just going to go over a test patch, probably one of the wings, and just see which pad and compound works best. It is a single stage correction, so I will have to refine it after. So I just have to work out which compound's best really, and pad, if it's a microfiber, if it's a foam, but we'll see. I'll show you once I know. Right, okay, so done one pass with the microfiber pad. Still not perfect, far from it. I'm gonna try something else, but yeah. I mean, it looks, I would say it looks better, but it doesn't really look better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna try something else, see what I can do, and then go from there really. but yeah. Right, okay, so the driver's side is now done. Found the perfect combo for that. So I'm gonna move on to this bit, show you this, and then show you the side, and then the front, then the roof, and then we'll get onto prep and coating. So yeah, there is a lot of sanding marks all over the car. Just show you the back quickly. It is, yeah, there you go, look at that. And one there. It has had a respray, look at this. So it's all kind of this whole area. This whole side basically has been resprayed. But as always, still got a job to do, so I'm cracking on. And all the piano blacks are like, can you see that? It's like the lack has come off them or something. Never ever seen that before. I've seen this where they're like that, but never ever seen that. Never seen that. So yeah, strange one, but like I said, got a job to do, so I'll crack on. Right, okay, so I've done a little 50-50. This is the last panel on the car. Take this off, if I can get it off. So much better. So yeah, just this half to do now, and then on to prep and then put coating down. Right, okay, so the car is all prep sprayed now. Yeah, so ready to lay down the coating. We are using Infinity Wax 2-year coating on this. But yeah, obviously it is a single stage, so it's not 100% perfect. But I mean, looks so much better, so much better. Unreal. Cannot beat a black car. Black cars are the best when they're clean like this anyway. So yeah, stop putting the coating down now. Right, okay, so the car is all done. Some job, obviously it was a single stage, so it's not going to be 100% perfect, but done what I can. So it's got single stage paint correction, 2-year ceramic coating, and yeah, I'll show you the afters. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Cheers.